How does Schiller keeps you connected to the medical world? Access to accurate patient data is paramount in today's fast-paced healthcare environment. That's why we've developed advanced EKG and PFT devices at Schiller that seamlessly connect to our central server, revolutionizing healthcare delivery. Our EKG and PFT's devices have cutting-edge technology that allows them to connect directly to the Schiller server. Once connected, the server acts as a central hub, distributing screenings and patient information to electronic medical record and hospital information systems through industry-standard protocols like HL7 and DICOM. But we don't stop there. With SEMA Liberty Mobile, our innovative platform, healthcare professionals can view screening results on the go right from their smartphones. This convenience puts the power of patient data in your hands, allowing you to make informed decisions wherever you are. The most trustworthy cybersecurity protocols carefully secure all of that. We understand the importance of data security in healthcare, and our robust measures ensure your patient data is always safe and protected. At Schiller, we're committed to empowering healthcare professionals with the tools to deliver exceptional care wherever and whenever needed.